Hello everyone, my name is Kaseem. Welcome to the $1 Million Challenge. So in today's video, I'm happy to announce and share with you that I purchased car number 5. This is car number 5 that I add to my Turo fleet, and this is a 2018 Chevy Sonic RS, and it's a beautiful car. It's a hatchback. So let me walk you around the car. The car is barely used. Is about 14,000 miles on the car. I think this car will do very well on the Turo platform. Look how nice it is. It's very nice to drive. Feels like the car that you would want to drive, you know. It's a hatchback, so the trunk is a little bit small, but this is a car for someone that don't have luggage, someone that just needs to get around, you know, like a local person. It's a car for them. Car looks really nice. You know, look at that money shot. But yeah, this car is going to be listed on Turo for anywhere from $48 to about $50 on Turo. Let me take you guys inside to check out the interior. Look how nice it is. Beautiful. It has Apple AirPlay, Android Play, all the plays. It has it. So it's a very nice car. It also has a lot of space in the back. Actually, look at all that space. You can just get in nicely and you just be sitting. Look at all the room here. Lots of room, you know. So let's check the trunk space here. So look at the trunk space. Very nice trunk space as well. Not too difficult. Very nice. That's nice. This is actually 2. You can take this out, and then there's another compartment down here. There's 2. So that is that. Let's check it out from this side. See right there? It looks so nice. Check out the other side. So here's the other side. Everything looks good on this side. Everything looks good. This car is just nice.